I know that a lot of my clients are really concerned with the property damage to their vehicle after they've been in an accident. And one of the most common concerns that I hear from my clients is that the amount of money that they're given by the insurance company is not enough to cover the full value of their car. Obviously, a lot of this has to do with depreciation and the way that cars are valued after a certain amount of time. But I wanted to let you guys know about a new type of add-on insurance coverage that I just found out about. I have USAA for my personal auto insurance coverage. I think they're a fantastic company. And when I recently spoke with them to update my coverages, which you all should do from time to time, they let me know about a new thing that they have called car replacement assistance coverage. And basically what this is it gives you an extra chunk of cash in addition to the value of your vehicle. So USAA will look at your car when it's totaled in an accident and give you the actual cash value. So that means how much you would be able to sell the vehicle if you were to sell it through Craigslist or Kelly Blue Book or whatever. USAA will give you that amount of money, the actual cash value, and then they will also give you an additional 20% of the actual cash value of the car. And that's huge. Let's say your car is worth $20,000, they give you an extra 20% on top of that. That means you now have an extra $4,000 that you can use for a new down payment. You can pocket the cash. I just think it's a really great coverage to have. It was only an extra, I want to say $55 every 6 months to have that coverage. So just something to consider the next time you are reviewing your auto insurance coverages.